Hey, so Google just recently updated some of the table formatting options in Google Sheets. Not a huge update, but pretty cool. I'll show you exactly where to find it. So here, this is just a quick table for like an employee barbecue. We come in under table 1 in the drop down, and we see table formatting. So there's grid lines, alternating colors, condensed view, and table footer, but I'll bounce into the advanced options just so you can see all of them. So when you go into the advanced options, you have some of the color code selections. You can also create your own style. So if you wanted to choose your own colors. And then down here at the bottom, so show table grid lines. If you click on that, predictably the grid lines show up or go away. Alternating colors. So here you can actually just make it more visually appealing for each of the rows by having that. And then show condensed view. That is, if you're someone whose eyes are amazing and you can see everything, you can click on condensed view and see a lot more in a smaller area. Also, congratulations. And then show table footer. So show table footer is interesting because it can actually run some very basic formulas. Like here, we're just summing for the price. So I hope that helps. I love tables, and I'm excited to actually see some new features being added to it. It's a really, really great way of providing structure to sometimes what is chaos. So, all right, have a good one.